Hello friends, 2nd May. Today's JFT. Just maybe there is one thing more than anything else that will defeat us in our recovery. This is an attitude of indifference or intolerance toward spiritual principles. Basic test, page 18. When we first came to NA, many of us had great difficulty accepting the spiritual principles underlying this program, and for good reason. No matter how we'd tried to control our addiction, we'd found ourselves powerless. We grew angry and frustrated with anyone who suggested there was hope for us because we knew better. Spiritual ideas may have had some bearing on other people's lives, but not on ours. Despite our indifference or intolerance toward spiritual principles, we were drawn to Narcotics Anonymous. There we met other addicts. They'd been where we'd been powerless and hopeless. Yet they'd found a way not only to stop using but to live and enjoy life clean. They spoke of the spiritual principles that had pointed the way for them to this new life of recovery. For them, these principles were not just theories but a part of their practical experience. Yes, we had good reason to be skeptical, but these spiritual principles spoken of by other NA members really seemed to work. Once we admitted this, we did not necessarily accept every single spiritual idea we heard, but we did start to think that if these principles had worked for others, just maybe they'd work for us too. For a beginning, that willingness was enough just for today. Just maybe the spiritual principles I hear spoken of in NA might work for me. I am willing at least to open my mind to the possibility. Thank you, friends.